What's going on, y'all? It's KJ with Skate Shot Studios, and this week we're going to be going over the dribble and pivots. It's going to look like this.
You do it, left, do it, right, do it, left, do it.
So let's talk about the dribbles and pivots. So the basic dribble is going to be this right here, where I'm just shuffling my feet and my back foot raises up on my toe. The easy way to start with this is just shuffle right here. If you're still trying to find your balance and figure out this motion, start right here. Start to drop that back toe. You can take your time with it. Slowly move those feet back. Drop that back toe. From here, you're gonna go into your pivot, all right? Now the pivots are performed on my toes, but a good way for you to ease into this, if you wanna keep all your feet flat, would be to put the weight in one heel and the weight in one toe, and then you turn like this. I would recommend going to your scissor position right here, raising up on both of your toes, and simply turning to the other side, stationary. So from the waist up, you can tell that I'm doing a little bit of counter twisting here with my upper body area. This helps with maintaining my balance and transferring my weight smoothly as I'm switching directions. So hopefully this helps. Drop a comment. Let me know what your progress is looking like, and I'll see you next one. Peace.